Hello, dear friends. I hope you are all doing wonderfully today. Today I will show you how to quickly and easily change the language on the OKX exchange. To begin with, let's make our way to the exchange without any delay. Main menu opens. In the top left corner we see dots, a square made of dots. Press it. Here appears our account that we see. Then you need to click on our email. Three menus appear here: Profile, Security, and Preferences. Here we see the language, currency, and so on. Here we can change the currency and language. First, we navigate to the Language Settings menu, after which we can easily select any language we desire to change to. I have this English. We can easily switch our conversation to Russian if you prefer. We are transitioning back to speaking Russian now. In the language, English, everything has become in English. Thank you, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know in the comments if my method helped you. See you soon, friends.